Hi everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to add people from phone contacts Instagram. So the very first thing you should do here is to launch or open your Instagram application and go to your profile. Tap this share profile and it will take you directly to your QR code. So all you have to do is to share your profile, copy link or download and share it to your friends and they can follow you or you can follow them. And then the second method here is you just have to go to your profile. Now you have to click this follow or following. And in order for you to add people from phone contacts, what you're going to do here is to click this sync button right here. So it will sync contacts and you can find people. Then they will ask permission. And all you have to do is to click this allow access. By the way, you can read the full instruction right here and information. And once you're key with this, then all you have to do is to click this allow access. Then if you go to following or followers, and scroll down, you will see suggested people. And these people are either your mutual or someone's mutual, or these people are on your contacts. It could be your Facebook, WhatsApp, Snapchat, phone list, or your other social media platforms. Okay, so I really hope that this video, and that's how easy it is to add people from phone contacts Instagram. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.